Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. This is just a fun little word problem on modeling with formulas, so let's dive in. In the final round of MasterChef Junior, two contestants, Mia and Leo, are competing for the championship. Each contestant will receive a score out of 10 for each of the following criteria: flavor, F; creativity, C; and presentation, P. The formula R equals 8F plus 3C plus 2P will be used to determine each contestant's total rating, R. So part A. After Mia's final dish, the judges awarded her scores of 9 for flavor, 6 for creativity, and 7 for presentation. What is Mia's total rating? So first let's write down what we know. So she got a 9 for flavor, so that means F is equal to 9. She got a 6 for creativity, so that means C is equal to 6. And she got a 7 for presentation, so P is equal to 7. We want to know what her total rating is, and we know total rating is equal to R. So R is what we don't know, but we do know the equation for R is this, so we can write that down. So, in order to solve for our unknown, we must know all of the other variables, and we do. So we can plug them in and solve for R. So R is equal to 8 times F, which is 9, plus 3 times C, which is 6, plus 2 times P, which is 7. 8 times 9 is 72, 3 times 6 is 18, and 2 times 7 is 14. Adding these all together, we get 104 for her total score. So we can write a therefore statement. Therefore, Mia's total rating is 104. Now let's move on to part B. Part B says, now it's Leo's turn. Leo believes he can match Mia's score in flavor, but anticipates a score of only 5 in creativity. What minimum score does Leo need in presentation to tie or beat Mia? So let's write down what we know first. He says he can match Mia's score in flavor. So Mia's score in flavor was 9, so he thinks he can get a 9 in flavor. He anticipates only a score of 5 in creativity, so creativity he thinks is going to be 5. What minimum score does he need in presentation? So presentation we don't know, and this is the score he needs to tie or beat Mia. So if he's tying her, he's getting 104 points, and if he's beating her, he's getting more than 104 points. So that means R needs to be greater than or equal to 104 points. Now we need an equation that utilizes all of these variables to allow us to solve for P. So that would be our total rating formula. And that is R is equal to 8F plus 3C plus 2P. So we need a minimum total rating of 104. If you get more than 104, that's great, but it's saying we could tie or beat her. So minimum, we need 104. So I'm going to use that number for our rating. And that is going to be equal to 8 times F, which we know is 9, plus 3 times C, which we think is going to be 5, plus 2 times P, which we don't know. Now we can simplify in the next line. So 104 is going to equal 72 plus 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2p. And we can simplify further in the next line. So 104 is equal to 87 plus 2p. The p is what we want to isolate, and it's a part of this term, so we need to get rid of this term. So to get rid of a positive 87, we need to subtract 87 from both sides. 104 minus 87 gives us 17, and these two would cancel. So 17 equals 2p. And then to get p by itself, we need to divide by 2 on both sides. So then p is then equal to 8.5. So what this means is that if Leo gets 8.5 points in presentation, he can tie with Mia. But they don't give away half points. So we need to round up to 9 points. So minimum he would need 9 points, but he would actually beat her because remember, if he gets exactly 8.5 points, he would tie. So the minimum score he would need to tie or beat her, and in this case it's beat because you can't get half points, would be 9. So he needs 9 points in presentation. So let's write a therefore statement. Therefore, Leo needs a minimum score of 9 points in presentation to beat Mia. Tie is not possible because half points aren't awarded. It's 9 points to beat her, 8.5 to tie, and we don't get half points. And that is the last question, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments below, and I will see you soon in the next video.